The nature kingdom was created from the heart of God. The ninth dimensional master, Pan, directs the elemental beings that support nature. And Archangel Perlemic, angel of nature, lovingly holds and protects nature as it energizes you, raises your frequency, and purifies and heals you. Your guidance is to honor nature's beauty and life force. If possible, go out into the meadows, forests, mountains, lakes, or rivers and let nature recharge, balance, and heal you. A love of and respect for nature is essential for your ascension and that of the planet. I thank, bless, and love the entire nature kingdom.